You toasty warm?
I'm comfortable.
That's shocking, being as this is New Year's Eve.
Well, you do have a heating unit in here now. And I'm sitting and it's
Maybe you'll join me more in the wintertime.
Maybe.
You know, she hates the cold.
I do. I don't like being cold.
Even chilly. 55 degrees. Cold. It's cold.
I like 85, 80, 85.
That's too dang hot.
That's perfect for me.
Anyways, I got out the heating and air unit here because I'm trying to make sure I'm not going to screw up where I put my fuse box and see the lay of the land under there. So if you'll just read those right quick and let me know what's to be done.
I thought you didn't read.
I'm not. I'm having you do it.
I don't know nothing about it.
Alright, we've determined that I can put the fuse box wherever I want to. It ain't going to be in the way. So I'm going to figure that out now. You know, of all the things I miss the most, my eyesight, I think, is the big one.
Not that.
How'd I do?
Pretty good.
Let's see if it fits in the hole we want to.
Sure.
Perfect. Hey!
Oops.
How did it fall in there and I can't get it out?
That's the way it happens all the time.
Oh, I just moved it. Now you may ask yourself, why did he weld a fender washer? Because it's going to be where one bolt from my fuse box goes. Oh, this is getting worse. That's pretty good, right? Can you live with that?
Yep.
Alright, now back off. Ugly. Man. Just like new. All right. Now, I have the fuse box mounted. It's just finger tight because I'm going to have to take it off. I think I'm going to have to, instead of having these wires run down, I'm going to have them run up. But that's okay. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Now I can figure out where they got to go. I'd show you better, but my light went dead. I got the fuse box mounted and the wires pointed in the right direction. I ain't got nothing hooked up yet, but since it's New Year's Eve and we're such a popular couple, we've been invited to go somewhere, so probably I should get cleaned up. Probably you should too.
Yeah, I need to.
I mean, not that you need to or anything.
I do need to.
Okay. Ring the bell, will you? Appreciate y'all watching. If you hit the like a bunch of times, she may come in and appear in the videos more now that I have heat.
I don't want to be cold, so I'd much rather be in the house when it's cold.
Okay. Okay. Also, if you hit the like button, it might help pay for that thing. It's kind of pricey.